Hello and welcome. My name remains David. If if you join me for the first time, I say welcome. Yes, my channel is all about print on demand. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you always stick around. Make sure you like my videos. That's all I ask for. I give out these tutorials totally free, like I've done in the past. I've been doing it since the beginning of January 2020, and I won't stop doing that now. I create a lot of design using Placeit.net. As you can see, this is Placeit.net. This is where I make my t-shirt design, my designs, whatever design I need to make. I just come here and make them either from scratch or using template, make template better. It's quite fun to use Placeit, and this is what I definitely recommend for anyone serious about print on demand, making passive income from print on demand. So I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to go straight right onto this one and create something unique. Okay, remember you need to be on premium to enjoy Placeit, and I'm going to show you how to get 15% off at the end of the video. So make sure you subscribe or make sure you like the video so that you don't miss out on that one. Okay, so let's go over and just create a unique design. All right. Okay, so as you can see, the cool thing about Placeit is that you can sort your design by most popular, newest, and the rest. So for this one, we are just gonna see, you can see what is mixed. Okay, this one says mixed, so you can just choose either mixed, best-selling, new, free. Okay, free, newest, any which way you want to sort your design, you are free to do that. So for this one, we are going to be creating a unique design. Okay, let's create a unique design. Let's find something we can use. Got Boxing Day. All right, so let's see. Thanksgiving. I was finding one for the new year, but let's see Thanksgiving. Let's see what Thanksgiving has to do with turkeys, if I'm not wrong. But let's just see what design it has to offer, and we can go from there and create something unique for ourselves. All right. Okay, so you can see different design. Okay, for this one, you can decide to use anyone. You can just scroll through and pick a design that you think is befitting for what you're trying to portray. Okay, whatever you're trying to portray, just make sure you have a design concept in mind. Then you can come over and just pick someone. You can do, let me do new year t-shirt. Okay, right, so let's just do new year, 0 results. We have 0 result for that one. So we just go and just pick something. You can decide to go with this. And just change it around. Does not need to be complicated, just a simple design. Sell more. Okay, simple design, sell more. So wait for this to open. Once it's opened, we'll go from there and create a unique design for ourselves. This design should never be complicated. Trust me, you always want your design to be simple, straight to the point, because you want to be promoting your designs on print on demand sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, Match by Amazon, and other print on demand site. Make as much design as possible. I always preach this for every video I make as much design as possible. Make different variations of your design and you are good to go. Okay, once you make different variations of your design, you are definitely good to go. So let's get back to this design and see what it has to offer us. Okay, so let's see what it has to offer us. Okay, so now that we have it opened, Now that we have it open, we can change. We can just come here and just do 2021. All right, let's see if we do 2021, if we have something. Okay, right, so let's see if we can use something from here. Nice, kind, and grateful. Okay, so let's see. Okay, just have 2020, so we can get rid of this image, delete that. If you can't delete that, just do no image. All right, so you have that you can bring in. See what they call the back graphics, you can break that in. All right, so let's break that one in. Okay, let's bring that in. Okay, so we should be able to bring it in like so. We should be able to bring that in, but it seems not to be working, so I don't know. Can just bring that in like that, but it's not working, so we'll just go and look for something else to add to that. Let's see if we do this. Okay, can do this, but I don't want that one. So let's do RP. Okay,